Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Wisp Flower and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Gold Garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Wisp Flower seed. So guys, you can get the seed from the grave digging event. So you can go to this event which appear every 2 hours if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can go to the grave digging event and then you can participate to this event. Okay, then you need to find a treasure. Okay, and after that you will get reward, and these are the possible rewards that you can get. One of them is the wisp flower, and it has 5.81% possibility to get this wisp flower. And I'm going to show you the wisp flower on my garden. Okay, this one. And I'm going to collect it guys, and let's check the base value of this wisp flower. Okay, let me collect it. Okay. Okay, this is the wisp flower guys, and then I'm going to show you the base value. So I'm gonna sell it and check how much this is worth. Oh yeah, not bad. And the flower looks so captivating. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.